Greetings, productivity enthusiasts. Are you ready to streamline your work life and achieve peak efficiency? Introducing liftOS, the ultimate all-in-one productivity hub that will transform the way you work. With liftOS, you don't just get a project management tool, you get a comprehensive solution that combines project management, wikis creation, and file organization all in one convenient workspace. Manage projects effortlessly. Create, assign, and track projects seamlessly within the same workspace. Access everything at your fingertips. Store documents, files, and media for quick and easy retrieval whenever you need them. Organize with ease. Document company procedures using a Notion-like interface to create structured wikis for streamlined information management. But that's not all. liftOS also offers a range of productivity tools to supercharge your workflow. Task management. Stay on top of your tasks, notes, and files with dedicated tools for efficient organization. Seamless integration. Say goodbye to multiple tabs and hello to integrated productivity tools that you can access without leaving your workspace. And the best part? liftOS allows you to embed your favorite tools, including Google Workspace integration, Access, Google Drive, Docs, Slides, and Sheets directly from liftOS for seamless collaboration. Miro integration. Collaborate with your team using digital whiteboards without ever leaving your workspace. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your workflow with liftOS. Try it today and experience the power of having everything you need in one place. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards peak productivity with liftOS.